There's a miracle you've known, you've experienced all your life, but you might not have even realized it. You've lived your life for many days. You can't count them anymore. Sometimes you're bored in your life. Sometimes you might be sad or angry or frustrated with things in your life. Sometimes you waste your time or you're just trying to live surviving from day to day. Sometimes you might not feel as if there's a lot of purpose in your life. You need to know one of the mysteries in the book of mysteries called the heartbeat of the miracle. The teacher and the disciple in the book are sitting on two large stones at the base of a small mountain. The teacher leans down to the ground, picks up a rock, and hands it to the disciple.
What do you feel?
Nothing. A rock.
The teacher says, now put your hand on your neck.
What do you feel? Anything?
My heartbeat.
So the question is here, now, what is the difference between
What's
you
the difference
and a
between
rock?
you and the rock?
The rock exists as a rock with no heartbeat. It retains its shape and its size, its consistency. It has no need of a heartbeat. It just is. But you have a heartbeat. Every moment of your existence hangs on a heartbeat. Everything you do hangs on a heartbeat. The moment your heart stops, your existence is over. That's the difference between you and a rock, and actually anything else, a mountain, a great building, a great monument. Rocks just exist, but life never just exists. It has to strive to exist. It has to fight to exist. Your heart has to keep beating every moment of your life. Even if you do nothing, your heart has to beat. Even when you sleep, it has to keep beating every moment to keep you alive so you can remain alive. If you waste your moments on earth, still that heart is beating so that you can waste your time. When you sin, when you gossip, when you covet, when you hate, still it's beating for you. Every moment. When you cry, it's beating so you can cry. When you give up hope, it's still beating. So that even in your tears and the despair, it still fights for you to live, to be able to cry. So the difference between my existence, your existence, and that of a rock is your life doesn't just exist. Your life is a miracle. Your every moment is a miracle. Your joys are a miracle. Even your tears are a miracle. Even when you mess up, it's part of a miracle. Your life is a gift from God. Every moment is sustained by God. Every moment is a miracle for you. How do you apply it? Stop taking your life for granted. Stop wasting it. Stop mistreating it. Stop treating it as something less than the miracle it is. Stop giving your life to what is sin and what is less than God's will. Your treasure, your life is a miracle from God. It's fearfully and wonderfully made. Stop giving it to things that are nothing. Stop throwing away your moments. Stop treating your life and your time on earth as anything less than the treasure it is. You treat every moment now on, from here on, treat every moment as if there was a heart beating behind it, striving for that moment to exist, because it is. God says, I know the plans I have for you. God has a plan for you because God created you. You are a creation of God, therefore you cannot throw it away. Your life has meaning, your life has purpose, every moment does. Make the most of every moment. Take account of every heartbeat and make your life and your days and your hours and your minutes and your moments worthy of them. The greatest works of God begin with the smallest of strokes.